If you hear something fall in your house, when everything is completely quiet, do not ignore it. It wasn't an accident. It was a presence check. When an entity enters a home, it doesn't show itself right away. It waits and watches how you react. Cases have been reported in Utah and Maine. Most people said the same thing. Nothing was touched, but something still fell. First, do not go toward the sound. Stay exactly where you are. If you move to investigate, it tracks how quickly you react and where you choose to look first. Second, do not pick up what fell. Leave it exactly where it is. If you move it, you confirm you heard it, and once it knows that, it won't need to test you again. Third, create distance without turning your back. Turn on a light, open a door slightly, but do not face the area directly. If the house goes quiet again, that's not a good sign. It means it learned enough, because the next time something falls, it won't be to check if you're there. It'll be to make sure you see it. Share this before someone hears it tonight.